It is June 6th. Is it too late for me to upload a May favorites? Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna go ahead and share my May favorites with you guys. We're like a week into June, so I hope it's not too late for me to share this with you guys. But I feel like I should because I was a little bit MIA. Alright, not a little bit. I was really MIA from YouTube and Instagram. I was kind of taking a bit of a social media break, but I'm back and I feel like I left you guys in the dark. Especially my Insta story fam, because I typically share this kind of stuff with you guys on there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure you follow me at Naturally Chia. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is somewhere, I'll put some over here somewhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and share my favorites with you guys, what I was using consistently, pretty much what my regimen consisted of. And yeah, I hope it helps you guys out. I know you guys are always asking me what my favorite products are. So being a natural hair blogger, we get to try out a bunch of different products, obviously, so we can do review videos for you guys. I think you guys are here a lot for the review videos. At least that's what y'all told me before. Y'all prefer me to do reviews over anything. But my mom made a comment to me once when I told her I was filming another video and I was trying out a new product. She was like, well, how are people supposed to know what you like always use if you keep trying new products in every single video? So she kind of had a point. I think it can be a little bit confusing, especially to those of you that are like new naturals and you're still having issues finding the right products. You know, you're going out and you're trying all these different brands or these different products that you're watching in these reviews. But that's the whole point of, you know, trial and error. We do these reviews so you guys can, hopefully we recommend products that is gonna work for you and you will find your staple products. But honestly, if it were up to me, I really could do without trying any new products because I've already found my staple products. I know what my hair loves. But I do appreciate doing the reviews for you guys because every now and then I do come across a product that I absolutely love and I incorporate it into my regimen and I use consistently. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with wash day products. So these are all products that I use consistently throughout the month of May. So this right here I think is probably my all-time favorite shampoo, you guys. This is so moisturizing. It's the Revlon Realistic shampoo from their Black Seed Oil line. So I think if you guys recall, this is one of the most recent reviews that I did, and that's why I said I appreciate doing these reviews because every now and then I do come across a product where I absolutely love and it becomes a favorite, and this is one of them. So this, you guys, is so moisturizing, and the great thing about it too, it's super affordable. It's only $7.99, so I definitely recommend you guys to go out and try this one because you really won't break the bank even if you don't end up liking it. I mean, I believe all of the products from their line are under $10. I think they're all $7.99, but honestly I don't think they sell this in the store, or at least not that I know of. All I know is that they sell it on the website, and I will go ahead and link everything below for you guys. You can't beat $7.99. It's a super moisturizing shampoo. It does a great job in cleansing your hair, and honestly it just feels like you use conditioner. That's how moisturizing this thing is. So this one I would definitely recommend for you guys to check this one out. Alright, so another shampoo that I was using consistently throughout May was the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt shampoo. So this smells great. This one I think retails for about $10 or $11, and this one I believe is only sold in Ulta Beauty. But you guys are probably wondering, well, if you love the other one so much, well, why are you using this one? Honestly, I was using this one because I was using the protein treatment in conjunction with it, so I just kind of figured like I might as well use the whole line together. The protein treatment also is one of my favorites in May. If you guys remember, I did also do a review on these, and I mentioned that this one I thought wasn't that moisturizing, but honestly I think the reason it wasn't as moisturizing when I used it in my first impressions video is because you know, I wasn't in the shower when I was using it, so my hair kind of dried off a little bit while I was trying to film, so it just didn't have the same effect when I used it in the shower. But using it in the shower, you guys, this thing is super moisturizing, and I mean, it's a protein treatment, so it's good for you, especially if you have damaged hair. So when it came to wash day in May, I was using this every 2 weeks, and the reason I was using this one every 2 weeks is because my hair is not that damaged. I don't have a whole lot of damage. But if you do have damaged hair, then you could probably just use this every week. This can also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment is what it says, and yeah, it smells really good. This is so moisturizing, you guys. Both of these retail for about $10. Only bad thing about these is they do have yogurt in them, so obviously if you have like a dairy allergy, or you know, if you're a vegan, then probably not going aligned for you, but if not, then yeah, definitely would say check these out. And then on the other weeks that I was not using those, I was using this one, which I could have just used this one and the protein treatment, but I was being nitpicky and I wanted to use both of them together from the same line. And then I was using this deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is so moisturizing. This is from the Gabrielle Union Flawless line. This one is a little steep. This one retails for around like $28 or $30. I will go ahead and put the price right here, but they do tend to have sales every now and then at Ulta or whatever, 40% off, 50% off, buy one get one 50% off. I would say if you have the money to spend and splurge on, you know, products like that, would recommend trying this one out. It is a very moisturizing deep conditioner. This one I believe is only sold in Ulta or their website. I don't know if they sell it in JCPenney's, I'm not sure, but I will go ahead and put more information below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. If you don't have money to spend like that, then I would just suggest waiting until they have like some kind of sale, buy one get one 50% off. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the leave-in conditioners, the moisturizers, which obviously you should never ever skip your moisturizer. So these were the moisturizers that I used frequently, or pretty much all the moisturizers or spray leave-in conditioners that I used throughout the month of May. So first up we have the Kuza Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-in Conditioner. So this too, this is why I told y'all I appreciate doing the reviews, because every now and then I come across a product that I really love and it meshes well into my regimen. So this is one of them as well. Matter of fact, I think all of these are pretty much new products, except with the exception of my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, which I just ran out of. But this I was consistently using. I love. It's so moisturizing. This too is under $10. I believe it's like $9. It's really moisturizing. It smells really good, and it has a thicker consistency. So I was using this for like my braids or my bun, and honestly pretty much kept my hair braided or in a bun pretty much the entire month. If I was not using this one, then I was using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-in Conditioner, which I'll put a picture right here if you guys are unfamiliar with it. That is probably my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. I always have that in stock. That is my staple. If you're new to my channel, that I recommend all the time when people ask me, you know, what product would you recommend, what leave-in conditioner. That right there is my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. This one is also a favorite, but the difference between both is this one is a little bit thicker. This one smells better, and I think it's cheaper too. But this one, I guess the only reason, not the only reason, but the reason I use both is because I'll use them for like different things, and also, you know, whichever one is closer at the time, because Kylie likes taking stuff and hiding them, or taking stuff out the drawers and putting it somewhere where I can't find it. So whichever one is in arm's reach at the moment, I will go ahead and use, or depending on what style I'm using. So say if I'm going to do a wash and go, I will use the Shea Moisture one because it has a lighter consistency, a little bit more on the runny side. This one's a little bit thicker, so you know, it's good for my braids, my buns. I can use it for twist outs, braid outs, and stuff like that. So if you're someone who just naturally likes products that have a thicker consistency, if your hair really responds well to that, then I would go ahead and suggest trying this one over the Shea Moisture one, because like I said, that one has a more looser runny consistency. But the Shea Moisture one is also really good. I think it's really well known in the natural hair community. A lot of people love that one. It's a lot of people's favorites. So you guys let us know in the comments below if you've tried the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you like it. Did you love it? Did you hate it? All that good stuff. So those were the two leave-in conditioners that I was using. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through my regimen. After I wash my hair and I deep condition, I apply a leave-in conditioner, and then after a leave-in conditioner, I always seal with an oil. So this is the sealing oil that I'm using at the moment. It's the My L Organics Mint Almond Oil. Another sealing oil that I really love is the Cream of Nature 100% Argan Oil, and honestly, only reason I have this one is because when I went to the store to look for the Cream of Nature one, they didn't have it. So I was like, well, let me try this one, but it's really good. I like it. It smells good. It has gives you a little tingling sensation when you massage it into your scalp. I typically like to focus the oil mainly on the ends because those are my drier parts, and I do put some all over, just not as much. I start off right here and then I work the rest of it throughout my hair, and I kind of give myself a little scalp massage with whatever's left, and it still kind of gives me that tingling sensation. So after applying the oil, I would then go ahead and move on to, you know, whatever styler I'm going to use at the moment. But honestly, I'm just going to keep my hair in a braid and a bun pretty much all of May. I did try I think 1 or 2 new stylers, which I will go ahead and show you guys, and they worked really well. But that was pretty much my regimen the entire time. I would just use the leave-in conditioner and then the oil, and then I would re-moisturize every, you know, 2 or 3 days or every other day, depending on how my hair is feeling. If your hair is dry, just re-moisturize it. Apply a little bit of water, a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of oil, focusing on your ends, and you are good to go. So I wash my hair once a week, I deep condition once a week, I re-moisturize when needed, and sometimes when I re-moisturize, if I'm not going to use the leave-in conditioners that I just showed you guys, then I will go ahead, like say if I'm in a rush, I'll use a spray leave-in conditioner, and these were the ones that I was using in May. Yeah, so spray leave-ins I just kind of use when either I'm feeling lazy or I'm in a rush. I don't want to, you know, just kind of do the whole water, getting cream on my hands, putting it on, and all that good stuff. I will just grab this and, you know, undo my hair or my bun, spray this on my hair, and put it back in the bun. Won't even brush it or anything like that. If anything, I will just take the bristle brush and I will smooth down at the top, and I will be out the door. So these are the ones that I was using. They're both pretty much empty already. You guys can hear that. So I did use them. I think this one doesn't have anything left in it. So I was using this Shea Moisture Manuka Yogurt and Honey spray leave-in conditioner, and I liked it. It smells really good. It's moisturizing. It's really convenient when you're on the go and you just need to like hurry up, spray your hair, put it back in a bun, and you got some moisture on your hair. And I was also using this Obia Naturals Curl Hydration Spray, which I've mentioned this one to you guys before on Insta Story. So yeah, it's really convenient. You just spray it and you go. Do also have a coupon code for this one, which I will go ahead and put right here. If you guys are looking to save some money on Obia Naturals products, you can save 15% off, I believe. It's still with my coupon code, or I will put it in the description box, all the details and all that good stuff. So honestly, those were pretty much all the products I used in May, the products that I was using consistently and period, because like I said, I wasn't really styling my hair. I did do a braid out one time because I did go on a little road trip, and I tried this Obia Naturals, the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream, and what is this called? Twist Whip Butter. So these are from Obia Naturals, and they were really moisturizing. This one right here, the Sweet Almond one, you guys, smells so good. You guys can see I did use quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I did use quite a bit, as it's kind of like halfway, a little bit like 3/4 full. But this smells so good. It's really moisturizing. It is a little bit on, it says heavy cream, but it's a little bit on the lighter side. I don't know if it's because it's super hot in my house and it's probably melting, but you guys can see the consistency of it. It's not as heavy as you would think, I mean, a heavy cream would be, but it's a really good consistency. And one thing I've noticed about all the Obia Naturals products that I've used is that they just have like this nice airy consistency to them. I haven't tried any products from them that I have disliked yet. So this I would recommend. It smells really good. It's super moisturizing. It says it's a thick, hydrating, pH balanced formulation. Will leave super dry, coarse hair soft and moisturized. Sweet almond oil is rich in nourishing vitamins to promote healthy hair, and it also has aloe vera and essential oils to form a protective barrier from the hair and scalp. So it was moisturizing. It smells really good, and they just have a nice airy consistency. Like, I really like Obia Natural products. I need to try or restock on some of their other products that I used, because they're just really good. So I tried this. I have not tried their deep conditioner yet, which I've been meaning to. It's been sitting in my closet, but I just have a feeling I'm gonna like it too. Well, let me show you guys the consistency of the Twist Whip butter. So the Twist Whip butter is actually way thicker than the heavy cream. So this is, I mean, it's a butter, it's thick, but it still has that like light airy consistency to it. It's not like, I mean, y'all see some butters before that are like super thick. This is more on the lighter side, if you will, but this one, I didn't really care for the smell of this one. It doesn't smell bad. It just I mean, it kind of smells like, it has like a clean, fresh scent to it, but it doesn't smell as good as the Sweet Almond heavy cream. But this one too was very, very moisturizing. And so this one too would go ahead and recommend. Actually, any Obia products that I've tried, honestly, it's a good brand. You guys let me know how you guys feel about Obia Naturals. So far I have not had any issues with them as far as any products that I've used from them. I'm still looking forward to trying out their deep conditioner, but yeah, let me know how you guys feel about Obia Naturals, and if you've tried any of these two stylers that I just showed you guys. Like I said, those were the only two stylers I really used in May, because like if I'm not filming for you guys or I'm not doing a hairstyle, then my hair is like this. This is how I retain the length, because I keep it in a braid or a bun. Okay, so those were my May favorites. Those were the products that I was using consistently throughout the month of May. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these products. Also, be sure to check the description box for all the details on all the products, where you can buy them and all that good stuff. And let me know if you guys spotted any of your favorites, or if you're planning on trying any of the ones that I mentioned. Also, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Let me know if you guys want me to do one of these videos every month as well. I can definitely do that for you guys. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more active, a little bit more consistent, especially on YouTube. I feel like I kind of do a YouTube video every now and then, but I really, like, I told myself I'm going to be really consistent, especially in June. I was going to get my ish together and just all about consistency, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up so more people can find it. Comment below, let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this face off. My mom just came because we're gonna go ahead and go for a walk. Well, she's gonna walk with Kylie and I'm gonna run, and yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.